Did you know that by 2026, over half of all financial decisions could be guided by AI? What if I told you that you could use this technology not just to track your spending, but to actually predict your financial future and make smarter investments automatically? Stick around, because today, we're pulling back the curtain on the revolutionary AI tools that are about to change everything you thought you knew about managing your money. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's your new financial reality. Welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep into the future of personal finance. Forget those clunky spreadsheets and budgeting apps that just tell you where your money went. We're talking about AI that tells you where your money should go. By 2026, these tools will be as common as your smartphone, and getting ahead of the curve starts right now. First up, let's talk about budgeting and expense tracking. Traditional apps are reactive. You spend money, you categorize it, and you see a chart. The next generation of AI tools is proactive. Imagine an app that doesn't just track your coffee purchases, but analyzes your spending habits, your calendar, and even local events to predict your spending for the next month. It might say, hey, you have 3 birthdays and a holiday weekend coming up. Let's set aside an extra $150 for gifts and travel now so you don't feel the pinch later. This is dynamic budgeting. One of the pioneers in this space is a tool we'll call Clarity AI. It syncs with all your accounts, but its real magic is its predictive engine. It learns your unique financial rhythm. It knows you get takeout on Fridays and that your car insurance is due every 6 months. Before you even think about it, Clarity AI has already adjusted your budget, earmarking funds and showing you the real amount of safe-to-spend money you have. It's like having a personal CFO who knows you better than you know yourself. No more endowment surprises or that dreaded feeling of where did all my money go? The AI handles the mental load so you can focus on your life, but tracking is just the beginning. The real game changer is how AI is revolutionizing debt management and savings. Let's be real, tackling debt can feel like trying to climb a mountain in the fog. Which debt should you pay off first? The one with the highest interest rate or the smallest balance for a quick win? The avalanche versus snowball debate is old news. Enter AI-powered debt advisors. By 2026, platforms like Momentum Pay will analyze all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car payments, and create a hyper-personalized payoff plan. It runs thousands of simulations in seconds, factoring in interest rates, promotional periods, and your income fluctuations. It might tell you to pay the minimum on your student loan for 3 months while aggressively tackling a high-interest credit card, then switch strategies once a promotional APR expires. It's not just a calculator, it's a strategist. It can even automate the payments for you, executing the most efficient plan without you lifting a finger. It turns debt repayment from a stressful guessing game into a clear, automated path to freedom. And what about saving? All know we should do it, but saving for what? A house? Retirement? A vacation? AI makes goal setting intelligent. Imagine an app called FutureVest. You tell it you want to buy a $10,000 used car in 2 years? FutureVest won't just tell you to save $416 a month. It will analyze your spending and find that money for you. It'll say, you're spending $70 a month on streaming services you barely use. Let's redirect that. We can also round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the change. It's another $40 a month. Suddenly, your goal feels achievable because the AI has created a realistic automated plan to get you there. It breaks down massive goals into painless, bite-sized actions. Now for the really exciting part, investing. This is where AI is moving from helpful to truly transformative, or years. Robo-advisors have offered a simple, passive way to invest. You answer a few questions, and they put you in a standard portfolio of ETFs. It's a great start, but it's a one-size-fits-all approach. By 2026, we're looking at hyper-personalization. AI investment platforms, let's call one Quantum Wealth, will go so much deeper. It will analyze your entire financial picture, your income, your debts, your savings goals, your risk tolerance, and even your spending habits to build a portfolio that is uniquely yours. But it doesn't stop there. This AI constantly monitors the market, global news, and economic indicators. Is there political instability in a region affecting the oil supply? The AI might slightly reduce your energy stock exposure. Is a new technology trend emerging? It might allocate a small percentage of your portfolio to a relevant growth ETF. This isn't about day trading or trying to time the market. It's about making thousands of micro adjustments over time, a concept known as dynamic asset allocation. It's something a human advisor could never do. The AI is constantly optimizing your portfolio to maximize returns while staying within your personal risk comfort zone. It can even perform tax loss harvesting on a daily basis. It's a sophisticated strategy that was once only available to the ultra-wealthy. This means the AI sells investments at a loss to offset gains, potentially saving you thousands in taxes over the years, all automatically. It democratizes elite investment strategies for the everyday person. So, how do you actually prepare for this financial revolution? It's not about waiting until 2026. It's about starting now. First, get comfortable with connecting your accounts to secure financial apps. Data aggregation is the foundation of everything we've discussed. Use a password manager and enable two-factor authentication to keep your information safe. Second, start using the AI-powered features already available in many current apps. Apps like Mint, Personal Capital, and others have basic categorization and trend analysis tools. Get familiar with them. See how they work. This will make the transition to more advanced systems much smoother. Third, and most importantly, define your financial goals. AI is a powerful tool, but it needs a destination. You want to be debt-free in 5 years? Retire at 60? Buy a home? Write these goals down. The more specific you are, the better the AI can create a roadmap to get you there. The AI is the vehicle, but you are still the driver. You set the destination. The future of personal finance isn't about complex charts or financial jargon. It's about simplicity, automation, and intelligence. It's about having a tireless, data-driven partner working for you 24/7 to build a better financial future. It's about taking the stress and guesswork out of money so you can focus on living your life. The tools coming in 2026 are going to empower a new generation of savvy, confident investors and savers. And the best part? You're getting a head start right now just by watching this video. This is a massive topic, and I'm sure you have questions. What are your biggest financial challenges right now? Is it budgeting, saving, or investing? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback helps me create the content you want to see. If you got any value from this glimpse into the future, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this video to more people. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all things finance and technology, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.